Alright, so in this video I will talk about the other basic waveform, which is known as a triangle wave. So a triangle wave is basically a waveform that has a triangular shape, and its linear rises and falls, creating a softer sound. And the other factor is that it contains odd harmonics only. And so I'll be able to describe it using a DAW again, aside from its definition. So, and how to do that is simply, as you can see, my case is here on this space where it's somehow brag. So I have to, first of all, you insert a new track, you just double click there, and then the new track has popped up. So, and then I just move my cursor to SS FX, right click again. I have something like this. So the first thing I want to do is to insert a tone generator. Insert the tone generator, press add. Okay, as you can hear. So now so this is the section where you check everything and make sure that you are demonstrating the right thing. So I come here to where it says shape. I just click on these two more arrows at define here, and then since I'm demonstrating a triangle, so I just click where it says triangle here, and then you check if the key is okay. So this is where my note is on A. I'm using note A to describe demonstrating this experiment. Yeah, and then so if I, this is where I activate it from, and this is my reading meter. This is where you'll be able to read and check how much amplitude is coming in through the signal. So this is where you actually activate it from. So if I right click there, as you can hear that sound. So now the reason why I'm not seeing any its frequencies is simply because I've not added one more thing, which is known as a frequency spectrum analyzer. So I come here where it says add, and then I just type there frequency, okay, frequency spectrum analyze meter. It's a meter, it's a reading meter for frequencies of any sound in the wave, any waveform. So in this case, I'm demonstrating a triangle wave. So we'll be able to see how it shows on the frequency spectrum analyzing meter. So now I'm going to activate the tone generator so that we can see how it's going to appear like we've described it. Yeah, because we've said it's linear, actually rises and falls, creating a softer sounds, and it also got odd harmonics. So we'll be able to check on the frequency spectrum analyzing meter to confirm that. That's how triangle wave shows and leads on the frequency spectrum analyzing meter. That's how it shows. Yeah, that's just basically it. Thank you.